Today I am making a raw vegan chocolate mousse cake with a date and almond crust. So we have the base done. Now I'm gonna mix the filling. I'm gonna weigh everything together on top of the scale. I don't have a lot of kitchen stuff. One of the things I do have that has been invaluable to me is my food scale. It just makes your life so much easier, especially if you do any kind of baking, you need to have a scale like that. All right, moving on to the filling. So the recipe calls for 150 grams of raw coconut sugar. Because coconut sugar is a bit pricey, I'm only putting in like 115 grams. Ooh, it's firm.
Sticks right to the knife. Is it good?
Yeah, the mousse is really lovely. The base is a bit thick.
Solid thick base, vegan chocolate mousse cake. So rich and creamy, it's delish.
It's kind of hard to chew.
This is amazing. I wouldn't really be able to tell it's a vegan cake. It's really, really, really tasty.
So that's the chocolate mousse cake. Would I make it again?
I'd eat it again.
Okay, good. Done.